I've been asked to talk about the 5 most common misconceptions we deal with when it comes to talking to people about their trademarks. And the first one, by a country mile, is I've got the company name, therefore I don't need a trademark. This simply isn't true. Whilst in the UK, you can help use a company name to help prove prior use, it doesn't actually protect you in trademark terms. And if somebody else goes and registers the name, you're going to have a battle on your hands. So you need to ask yourself the question, when a UK trademark can cost less than £2 a month for 10 years worth of cover, why would you take the risk? So the next one is trademarks are really only for big companies. This just simply isn't true. You don't need to be a big company to have a great idea. Now, you can't stop someone having the same great idea. You need to own something to stop somebody stealing it. That's what trademarks are there to help you do. Number 3, you've got your trademark and that's it. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but trademarks do have to be renewed every 10 years. And there's good reason for that. It's to stop people squatting on trademarks that they're not using. So do be aware of those expiry dates. Make sure you don't miss one, because there are people who may be sitting and watching, just waiting for an opportunity to steal it from you. Number 4, trademarks are global. Yes, trademarks can be global. However, trademarks need to be individually registered in each country that you plan to trade in. And the final one, and this is a big one, is that because you've got the trademark, you are now guaranteed to be protected. Sadly, as with anything, there is an element of enforcement that needs to take place. You can't physically prevent anybody from doing anything unless you know that they're doing it, which is why we always advise everybody to have monitoring services in place, whether that's in-house or with a professional like us, to make sure you identify any potential infringements and nip problems in the bud before they become problems.